কেমন ভালো?
সাংঘাতিক।
সাংঘাতিক. This is a Bengali word. It means fantabulous or fabulous. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness again. I hope you all are having a fantastic, nice and bright and busy weekend with your friends and family. So for today's plan, today is Sunday and we woke up a little late and then we had our breakfast. We had oatmeal today, not a very elaborate breakfast. It was very simple because in the lunch time I'm going to make something really very special. It's gonna be a special weekend lunch routine that I just love to share with you all. And then we'll go for a movie date. And the good thing is, after 5 months, we get a chance here in Denmark to watch a Bollywood movie, and that too in a theater. In home we always keep on watching, but in theater it just feels great because we both are movie buff. So today is our movie date and special date lunch routine. So these two things I just want to share with you all. And please let me know in the comment section how you are enjoying your weekend, how you are cooking, how you are managing all the things in weekend, and if any of you are going for a movie date also. So please let me know in the comment section. So please stay tuned with my vlog, and now I'll make my delicious special lunch that I just love to share with you all. So please stay tuned. Hello. So yes, these are the basic ingredients for today's special prawn biryani, and I'm telling you now that that's our specialty. So these are the ingredients that I'll need: coriander leaves, yogurt, thinly sliced onion, then some chopped onion as well, and then chopped tomatoes, bay leaves and cumin seeds, some ghee, that is clarified butter, and here I am using this biryani masala. Today this masala is available in my kitchen. You can use whatever you want. So here I have soaked my long grain basmati rice for 30 minutes, and here is prawn, that is the key ingredients. Always love to have our biryani with boiled potatoes and boiled eggs. So that's the reason I have boiled 2 eggs and 3 potatoes, and then I'm gonna fry it, shallow fry it, and I'll put it in my biryani. And in this boiling water I'm going to add my basmati rice, soaked basmati rice, and then I'm going to add some salt, and then I'm going to add some ghee as well, few bay leaves and some cumin seeds. 5 minutes around, I am checking my rice, and my rice looks like absolutely ready. It should be 80% done, not more than that, because now it's going to be cooked in a dum process, so 80% done is perfect. My friends, this is the most important part of making your biryani. You just need to make perfect rice to make a perfect biryani. So please keep your eyes on your rice. It should be 80% done, not more than that. And be very careful when you are draining your rice because water is really hot. And now I'm going to fry my onion. It should be golden brown in color and it should be really very crispy. So you have to fry your onion till that point. And now in the same oil, I'm going to fry my potatoes and my eggs. I have coated this potato and eggs with pinch of turmeric powder and some red chili powder and some salt. And now in the oil, I'm going to add some cumin leaves, some bay leaves, and chopped onion. And now I'm going to stir it well. And after frying the onion, I have added some tomatoes as well, chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to give it a good stir. And now I have added ginger garlic paste in the mixture. Ginger garlic paste always enhances the flavor of your biryani, so don't miss that part. And now I'm going to add the key ingredients, that is prawn. Again, it's time to give it a good stir. And at this point, I'm going to add my biryani masala. And today I'm going to use Shan biryani masala, as I told you before. This is available in my kitchen now. Whatever biryani masala is available in your kitchen, you can definitely add this. But I have been using this spice for ages, and I really like the flavor and the texture of the spice. And now it's time to add some yogurt. And again give it a good stir. And my masala looks like absolutely ready. And now I'm gonna cover the lid, and then I'll cook it 2-3 minutes more, and then it will be ready for the next step. So now here we are in the last step of our biryani making. It's a layering part. So with the help of an onion, I have greased my pan with some ghee. You can use oil as well, but yes, ghee always adds some flavor in your biryani. And I have spreaded my prawns in the bottom part of my pan. So just spread it really well. It's really important. And always remember that your flame should be in low. And now it's time to add some rice on the top of prawns, and you need to spread the rice really well as well. And I'm going to add some fried onions that I have fried in the first part of my biryani making. So it just gives a crispiness and flavor to your dish. It's really very important. I'm adding just a half tablespoon of ghee, some coriander leaves. Some people add in this point some green chili as well, but I'm not using that, but you can definitely use that. And some biryani masala. Trust me guys, it will just enhance the flavor. Now in the third layer, I'm going to add my rest of the prawn masala. And in the same way, I'm gonna spread it well. So it all depends on the quantity of your biryani. If you are making biryani for 4 people, 6 people, or more people, then definitely your layers will be increased. But for us, these 4 layers are good enough. And now on the top layer, I'm going to add fried potatoes and fried eggs. It looks absolutely inviting and delicious. And some ghee, some coriander leaves, and some fried onions. And I will add some biryani masala as well, and some saffron. And little bit more fried onions, and it looks absolutely ready. So now I'll cover the lid, and I'll put it in a dum for 35 to 40 minutes. So here I want to share quick tricks with all of you, that I always use this atta dough to seal my container, because it should be airtight and your dum will be just perfect. Now I have put it in the dum, and now 10-15 minutes more. I have cleaned up my kitchen. You can see my countertop, everything looks perfect. So after 35 to 40 minutes, my biryani looks like this. It looks absolutely ready, gorgeous, and it smells awesome, guys. I just wish you can taste it and you can smell it. So now it's time to transfer my biryani into a serving bowl. So yes, that is our prawn biryani. It smells awesome. It will taste awesome. I'm pretty sure. I have tasted just a little, 1 spoon of that. So yes, it looks like that. So we are gonna enjoy our lunch outside today. So yes. So here is our lunch spread. Prawn biryani, prawn dum biryani. Looks delicious, gorgeous. And yes, then some bundi ka raita. I just love raita with my biryani, and some salad, and we have some gulab jamun as well. So here we are going to enjoy our lunch sitting outside. Oh my god, my friends, This is super yummy and you have seen it. It's so easy, so simple to make. Very soon I'll post in my channel mutton biryani, typical mutton biryani, dum biryani recipe also. I love making biryani, and this prawn biryani just, you know, made our day. And it's a beautiful day and we will enjoy our lunch now sitting here outside. And I hope you are also enjoying your weekend lunch. Please let me know whatever is your menu, or what you are cooking, or what you are making. So okay, see you guys in my next clip, and then after having my lunch, we'll take just rest for 1 hour, and then I'll get ready for the movie date. So please stay tuned for my next clip. Tata.